Today, we will talk about how to help flood victims. Let's have a look at the details. Floods can be devastating. Depending on the severity, flood victims might lose everything they have: their homes, their jobs, and even their loved ones. Whether it's donating $1 or volunteering to rebuild damaged houses, there are several ways to lend a helping hand to those in need. The first method is determining how to help. Find out where the flood happened. Chances are you already have a specific flood trajectory in mind, but if you don't or aren't abreast with smaller scaled floods happening throughout the world, the first step is to find out which regions have suffered floods and need help. Depending on where the flood occurred, different humanitarian organizations will be involved in coordinating relief efforts. Stay informed and up to date over time, as the needs change. So will the ways you can help. Some ways might be more in line with your abilities or resources over others. Decide how you would like to help. If you have extra funds or goods, you might consider making monetary donations. If you have time, skills, or other supportive resources to offer in lieu of monetary donations, you can offer these to those in need. The second method is making donations. Make a monetary donation. Sending money is an easy and effective way to help. Be sure that you are donating to a reputable organization like the Salvation Army, American Red Cross, or UNICEF. Unfortunately, some sham organizations can crop up in the aftermath of disasters as ploys to steal well-intentioned donations. Donate goods. If you have extra or unneeded items lying around, consider donating them to flood victims in need. Donate blood. Floods can cause serious injuries, and there may be a need for more blood after a disaster. If there's a blood drive in your area, and if you meet the health age requirements, consider becoming a donor. Donate your leave time. Contact the human resources representative at your work and ask if you can transfer some of your leave time to those unable to work as a result of the flood. The third method is becoming a volunteer. Volunteer in the affected area. If it's safe enough to travel to the afflicted area, see if aid organizations are looking for volunteers to help on the ground. Volunteer your professional services. Your time and talents are a valuable resource and can help those in need. If you are a healthcare professional, see if you can donate your medical services or supplies. If you are a contractor or work in construction, volunteer your manpower, supplies, and other resources towards rebuilding efforts. If you are an educator or childcare worker, offer to provide support and assistance to displaced families and their children. If you are a business owner, offer gratis goods services to those affected by the flood. Volunteer outside of the affected area. Even if you can't be there on the ground, you can still make a big difference by volunteering. And the fourth method is offering other kinds of support. Offer shelter. If you live near the flood area and your house is intact, consider fostering a displaced family who may have lost their home and everything they own in the disaster. Offer spiritual support. Many people rely on their faith during times of crisis and draw emotional and spiritual strength from the support of church and religion. Offer emotional support. In addition to other forms of help, you can make some basic caring gestures towards those in need. Ask how you can be most helpful to those affected by the flood. Be a good listener and remember that sometimes it's best to just listen and not offer your own opinions or solutions without being asked for them. Remember that people need support in the days, months, and even years following natural disasters. Be sensitive to the fact that new issues and difficulties can continue to arise. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.